Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a newsletter using Canva. So the first thing you want to do is once you log into Canva, this is going to work regardless of whether you are using Canva Pro or not. So make sure you go to templates. And then go to the search box here and type newsletter. Now you can try to use a more specific search term here, but I'm gonna just type newsletter. Now here we get a couple options for templates. As you can see, some of the templates have this pro icon here, so depending on what type of account you have, you can either choose them or not. So I'm gonna pick one. If you really want to go from the scratch, you can create a blank newsletter, but I'm going to use a template. So some of the templates have more than one page, like this one that has 3. So I'm gonna pick this one. And once you select one template that you like, you will notice that Canva will give you other templates that look similar to the one you pick down here. So this is a great way to find more templates that you like. I'm gonna continue with this one and I'm going to select customize this template. Now Canva has this very intuitive interface that you can simply click and drag and click to edit. So if I wanted to change the text here, I could change the font. I could use this menu here to improve on this text. So if I just wanted to change this font here, and if I wanted to change the size and the position of some of the elements, I could easily do that. In this case, I'm going to use this to make the text field a little bit bigger. So I could also change the background color. So if I click the background where there's nothing, I can use this option here to change the background color. Canva will provide me with some template colors that I could choose, and I just have to click them and it will change. Or I could use this little color selector here, and then I could pick some custom color that I like, and it's going to automatically change. So it's very easy to just go ahead and change the different aspects of the document. Another thing you can do is to upload your own images. So I'm going to go to this button here and click upload. Now here I have some images that I have previously uploaded, but if I go to a folder in my computer, I can simply pick some pictures that I like. So if I get this picture here and bring over to the upload menu, it's going to upload. And then all I have to do is to click and drag, and it's going to be replaced in my newsletter. So I can just get any pictures that I have, and those are going to be inserted if I just click and drag. So this is very simple to do. Because I selected a template with more than one page, I can scroll down and see the other pages. The same thing works here. If I just click and edit, I can highlight and delete the text that I don't want. But in this case, I don't want to have 3 pages, so I'm going to use this button here to delete this page. So I'm going to go with 2 pages like this. And I want to maybe add a website here. So let me I'm going to just add Google here, and I'm going to highlight the text and use this button here to make it into a link. And then I can just type the URL that I want to direct the user to and click done. So that's basically it. There's a whole bunch of options that you can explore here. There's also this elements tab that you can use to add shapes, and you can create arrows and frames and a whole bunch of different features that Canva offers. There's this text tab if you want to add a custom text box, so you can just use this menu here and it's going to add a new box here that you can simply click and drag where you like. You have this little icons here that you can use to position the text. You can rotate the text and so on. So once you have the newsletter the way you like, the final step is to simply go to this button here where it says share, and then if you click here you can use the download button. Now, partially because I have more than one document and because I added a link, it's going to suggest that I use a PDF, but I could use PNG if I just want images. And PDF is great because of the link, so when people hover the link, they're going to be able to actually go to the page that I had used for the link. So I'm going to select PDF and I'm going to hit download. I'm going to be prompted for a place to save. Now if I open the file, this is what it looks like. As you can see, the link here is clickable, so if I hover, it goes to the link, and that's how you create a newsletter in Canva. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.